Hi, this is David Lipe with Find.Dance and our podcast, Talk.Dance. And I'm here once again with Tatiana Keegan of, what's your website?
I don't remember.
He doesn't remember. She's too cool for that. It's TatianaDance.com. So today, Tatiana is going to be showing us a way to spice up your cha-cha, yes?
Correct. With Guapacha timing.
Guapacha timing. That sounds cool. How do you spell Guapacha, do you know?
I think it starts with a Q. Quapacha.
We will fact check that later.
Yes, please. English is not my first language, so is Spanish.
Think of guacamole. That's all. Okay. Looking forward to it. Thank you.
My pleasure. And now we're going to talk about cha-cha-cha. The basic timing of cha-cha-cha is 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. And whatever you do it, that's what you keep, right? But sometimes it gets boring, and we want to do something a little bit more exciting. So for that, we have a different timing. It's called Guapacha timing. What we're going to do is I'll show you the differences on the basic step, and I'll show you regular basic timing and then Guapacha timing. So if I would do 1, and I'll break 2 back, 3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, or Guapacha, 1 hold, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 hold, 2 and 3, cha. And you can do it any way you want. Whenever it's a regular timing, regular basic time, you can do Guapacha, 4 and 1, 2 New York, or crossover break, and 3 cha-cha-cha. So I'll explain a little bit how we do it. So when we do cha-cha-cha, and usually we step back right away on 2, 3. Now here what we're going to do, we're going to hold 2. Cha-cha, 1, 2. So then 2 becomes much smaller. So that's why the next step is going to be much faster. And 3. Cha-cha, 1, hold 2. We can pendulum the hip on 2. And then very quick, small step, and 3. Cha-cha, 1, I'll come forward, 2, and 3. Cha-cha, 1, hold, 2, and 3. Or spot turn, 1, hold, 2, and 3. So on 2 already you can start turning the shoulders, and then put the foot under, cha-cha-cha. I hope it will help.